Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable WebP images across your site with Cloudflare step by step clearly. Log in to your Cloudflare account. Select the site you want to enable WebP images for. Navigate to the speed section in the dashboard. Scroll down to find the optimization settings. Locate the automatic WebP option. Toggle the switch to enable it. This will allow Cloudflare to serve WebP images to supported browsers. Next, move to the caching section in the dashboard. Ensure that browser cache TTL is set to an adequate duration. This will allow browsers to cache WebP images effectively. Now, go to the Page Rules tab. Create a new page rule by clicking Create Page Rule. Enter the URL pattern for the pages you want to optimize. For example, use yourdomain.com/* to apply it site-wide. Under Settings, select Cache Level. Set it to cache everything to optimize all resources. Add a rule to bypass cache for logged-in users if applicable. Review your settings for accuracy. Click Save and Deploy. Your settings will now propagate across Cloudflare's network. To verify WebP images, use a browser that supports them. Open your site and inspect images using the developer tools. Check the Network tab to view image formats. Ensure that WebP images are being served properly. If issues arise, check your origin server settings to confirm support for WebP. Adjust as necessary to ensure full compatibility. That's it. You have successfully enabled WebP images across your site using Cloudflare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.